Hi friends, myself Anis Ahmad. I am from EC department. And now I am explaining about visible light communication. New communication technology using visible light. So visible light is only a small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum, the wavelength between 380 nanometers to 750 nanometers. Why visible light communication is used? So it is a very free and fast switching. It does not cause any health problem. So visible light communication is used. Technologies, transmitters and receivers. In transmitters, theoretically, every kind of light source can be used as a transmitting device. LEDs are the predominant choice for the transmitters. In receivers, photodiode receivers, CCDs, and CMOS sensors. In technology, from data to modulation, modulation to light source to CMOS and CCD, CCD to demodulation, demodulation to data. It transfers. Component setup. It has two types, transmitter unit and receiver unit. In modulation, modulation is used to transfer the data into a series of light pulses. Two main alternative modulation schemes, PPM and FSK. PPM means pulse position modulation. FSK means frequency shift keying. In the comparison between VL versus and RF. VL means visual light, RF and radio frequency. In the properties are EMI and light of sight and standard and power consumption and visibility security, infrastructure, mobility, coverage, distance and bandwidth. These are the comparison between the visual light and radio frequencies and the VLC. And the VLC means visual light communication construction was established in 2003. It was established in 2003 by Japanese tech companies. Research planning, technical standardization and popularization. Applications, smart home network and hazardous environments, hospitals and healthcare and underwater communication and vehicle to vehicle communications. Vehicle communication. Many cars have LED lamps, traffic signals, and traffic lights and street lamps are adapting the LED technology. So there are the massive application opportunities here. Smart lighting. Smart buildings require smart lighting. Smart lighting with the VLCs provides the infrastructure for illumination, control, and communication, and with while greatly reduce wiring and energy consumption within building. For example, now we are using the smart lighting only. Underwater communication. Radio waves does not propagate for a long distance underwater. It was demonstrated that the flashlight, visible light transmitter apps able to transmit signals from 7 meters distance. Difficulties. The line of sight, very high intensity of other source, and short range, maximum range is 15 meters. Conclusion. VLC is promising technology even if it is still very early stage. Using arrays of LEDs, more data transmission can be obtained. Thank you.